Good morning, boys and girls. I am going to show you how to work on our cursive letter B today. We're going to work on capital B and lowercase b. So I just have a regular sheet of notebook paper, or if you prefer to print out the worksheets that are attached, you can do that, but notebook paper works just fine. Like I mentioned last week, I like to use 2 lines of my notebook paper so that I make sure I have enough room to help me work on my capital cursive letters. I do, when I'm writing cursive, like to slant my notebook a little bit off to the left-hand side because I'm right-handed. We're going to start with the capital letter B. So we actually start midway point. Remember, when we work on cursive, the idea is to not pick up your pen or pencil until your letter or word is completely finished. So when we start with capital letter B, we actually start at the middle line. So if we pretend like this is a dotted line here, and this would be the top line, and here's the bottom line. When we do capital letter B, we start at that dotted line, then we go up, then down all the way, retrace on that line, and make your B like this, and go through, and then your B goes out like that. This is where you would connect other letters to the B. So let's try that again. We go up, down, retrace, little curve, and back out. We're going to do 4 of those capital B's. Retrace, little curve, back out. Let's do it one more time. Go up, down, retrace, little curve, back out. And if you wanted to just finish up that line, we could do that as well. So I'm going to do a couple more. And that is your capital letter B. Now let's move to the lowercase b. I'm going to skip and I'm going to use these next 2 lines. And pretend like this is my dotted line here. For lowercase b, you actually start at the bottom. You go up and make a loop. You loop it around. And that's actually a lowercase l, but to make it a B, you go back up and you do this small little curve right there. Let's try that again. Up, loop, down, and small curve. Up, loop, down, and small curve. Up, loop, down, and small curve. So the way that lowercase b's work, they're a little bit different as well. These little small curves, that's where you will connect your other letters. Now we're going to work on our sentence from this week, which is Bart borrows books from Blair. Bart is the name, and it's the beginning of a sentence, so we're going to start with a capital. Okay, so we'll go up, down, and around, little curve, Now watch how I go into my A. I just connect it into that A. Remember A from last week? So go into A, then you go do the R and T. I know you haven't learned those yet. We cross and dot our T's and I's at the end. Okay, so Bart. Now we're going to do borrows. Borrows is with a lowercase b, so we're going to make a lowercase b. So that curve there is where we go into the O. You connect the R there, then the R again. Go into the W and the S. That's a tough one. Bart borrows. Let's try books. Lowercase b, go into the O, watch this K. Up, loop, down, back around, and go into the S. Bart borrows books from F-R-O-M, 3 bumps for M, and then Blair will be with a capital B. And then you'll dot your I at the end. So that's it today. Capital B, lowercase b, Bart borrows books from Blair. Try it out, boys and girls. Talk to you soon. Bye.